Yeah, probably wouldn't recommend it. Hopefully it's not a shared one. Can't even swim a cat in there. So I think I'm at the train station. Couldn't tell ya. Taxi driver that I got, it was useless. I was giving him GPS the whole way, and then he like asked me where to go. Then we got lost, and then he wanted like 4 times the amount plus a tip. Fuck. Oh well, we're here now, hopefully, and we'll just try and figure out where we go now. So finally got some help. She said it's this way. So see if we get over this side and it's the right place. This place looks fancy, man. Look at this. This is a train station. This is wild. Well, they must think I'm Egyptian. So they must think I know where I'm going. Heaps. It's like dead as. There's like 1,000 security guards here, all like bulletproof and everything. Yeah, let's see if it's on this side. Still got half an hour. I think that clock's wrong. I think it's an hour behind. Or maybe I'm an hour behind. But they said train 82, section 3. So I think it's down here. Oh yeah, there was like, you know how you go to like train stations and they have like all the boards up saying go to this platform, etc, etc. There's nothing. There's just people standing around on guns and stuff. So yeah, I think I'm somewhere close, but I checked my ticket just then and it said double bed, so maybe I'm sleeping with someone. I don't know, because my ticket was only 90 US and all on sites or YouTubers said it's 120. So I don't know if I'm sharing with someone. So I'm probably sharing with someone, getting some meat, dinners, and yeah, it's gonna be a fun 10 hours. Stay tuned. Yeah, this is nothing like I see on YouTube. This place must be because it's brand new and everyone else goes to Cairo and the El Giza place. Geyser. Yeah, I'm so confused. Soon find out. Stay tuned. Everyone's got guns, so protected here, unless there's a lot of pirates or thieves on the train. So see how we go. So this is a train ticket that I got. Picked it up from Cairo Station because I couldn't do it online for some reason. It just kept lagging out, or I read all the forums. It said like you got to click the family or the no family section, and I was doing that, but then it says you can't reserve for family, and then I was just going around in circles, and then I was on Reddit, I was on everything, and nothing was making sense. So I said, oh, I'll just go to Cairo train station because there's an office there. Then got a ticket, 90 US, so like 120, 30, something like that, Aussie. But yeah, as I said, everywhere online says it's 120 US. So I don't know. Hopefully I'm not sharing something. Fuck, if they're snoring. Oh, smoking, or just annoying. 10 hours on a train, and they're really small enough, so oh well, we're here now. I wanted to experience this, so come experience the train with me. Woo! Choo-choo. Maybe I'll catch a plane next time. I'm catching a plane back, so that's a good thing. But yeah, just gotta endure the tough times I am. And I just came from a 5-star hotel, so I can't be too privileged. Yes, I don't know if that makes sense. But yeah, just gotta slum it out. Do like the locals, even though they probably can't afford this. I'm not so sure. The plane was only like 120 or 100. think it was only 140 Aussie. And I met this Kiwi couple in Giza hotel at the Villa Khufu. They were paying $50 from Luxor to Cairo because they were catching the bus down, which is only, they said it was only $10. So I was like, man, should just got. Oh no, I couldn't sit in a bus for 10 hours. At least this one's a bed, or a semi bed, so we'll see how we go. So I just gotta weigh up the options next time. Well, if you want to weigh up the options, you can either catch a bus for 10 Aussie or 10 US. You can catch a train, this one, for 90 or 120, or you can catch a plane for like 140. Depends what you want to do. Everyone recommends going to Luxor, so put it in your itinerary and we'll soon see what Luxor looks like. Got the Valley of the Kings, Valley of the Queens. Maybe do some hot air ballooning. I think that'd be pretty cool if I have time. And yeah, it's 8:30 now. We've got half an hour, 40 minutes. I'm just sitting here all alone. So yeah, you can see how crazy I'm getting. Turning into a local already. The other problem is when I get to Luxor, they're gonna be like, "Oh, taxi, 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 taxi." Fuck, at 7 o'clock in the morning, getting hustled already. Oh, can't wait. Yeah, beauties of traveling, eh? Here you go. Sleepy train. City. I think they need to update their trains like they did to that train station. Sheesh. See if I'm at the right spot. Hopefully it's not a shared one. Can't even swing a cat in there. Holy dolly. See if I can put my bag up there. Oh, fuck. Travel light, guys. Travel light. My back. Might be a shared one because 18 and 17. I think that folds down. So yeah, soon find out, eh? Oh, so tight in here. Got like a little kitchen or basin. Brush your teeth. And then yeah. See, at least there's aircon. Freezing in here. That's a good thing. Yeah, imagine doing this in summer. Hot as. Your thermostat, hot and cold. It's freezing at the moment. Guess you can turn the music up. I think that's for loudspeaker, or you can turn the disco on. It's gonna be a cozy, expensive hostel. Yeah, doesn't seem to be anyone so far, so fingers crossed. Let's have a look. Well, you got a little latch, which I don't have. Which, I might just get my suitcase and just jam it in there. If there's no one here, just jam my suitcase in the door. One of those little, hips, oh, a little reading light. A window. Hello. Must be a pin. Oh, it's good there. Got your ashtray. Oh. Yeah, it's not too bad. Pretty expensive. 90 US. Probably get an Airbnb or a night stay with the bus. That's cheaper. So you get $10 bus down and get cheap Airbnb. Yeah, I thought they were meant to like sort of subsidize or accommodate. So you got the train that's cheap, and then you're pretty much paying for a bed. So I don't know, because Airbnbs are only like 30, 40 or 70 bucks. So Aussie, that's like 50 US. So I don't know, here for the experience. Yeah, that's alright. At least it's not short, because I'm like 6 foot, so it's comfy enough, I guess. Yeah, we'll soon find out if there's like a lot of train noises, or people smoking, or people snoring, or people that come in because my locks don't work. I don't know. Soon find out the beauties of catching a train. So this is the hallways. I don't know what's down here, but that's the toilets. It's definitely like you're going back in the future or something. And these are old school as, but these little tray tables. Oops. Little tray tables. Oh, this must be the room. So go on the side here. Have your little meals. Someone already ate this one. Oh, it's going to be an experience. I'll tell you that. Oh well. Y'all get to experience it with me. Yeah, I should have paid for a flight. Oh well. We can now. Fingers crossed we'll make it. So like, subscribe if you want to see more of this scary stuff, or if you want me in luxury travel, if you want me to do all this sketchy ass stuff, just let me know in the comments. I'll do my best. So I just got my meal. Got me a little torch. Probably didn't state on when I was buying my ticket, because I couldn't really hear what the guy was saying when I was getting a ticket from the station. So I just sort of just booked it. But like online you could choose vegetarian or meat, I guess. So I think I've got chicken. and we'll have a look. So yeah, if you like it. Yeah, chicken. Not too bad. Some rice. Potatoes, some potatoes, beans, potatoes, some bread, so some carbs, a little bit of protein. Yeah, that's your meal for dinner. Carbs and chicken, my fave. Yeah, I'll just have some chips. That's what I ate before. Okay, I wasn't expecting the best, but yeah, do what you gotta do. And then he asked me for a drink. I was like, yeah, I'll have a drink. And then he said, okay, and gave it to me and said, oh, you can pay later. I was like, back. Fuck, why you ask me that? Oh well. Fun. Just checking my ticket. Just had dinner. My rice and chips. It says train time 9:10. It's 10 o'clock now, so I don't know what time I'm meant to leave. But that's right. I can't check in at my place in Luxor anyways till like 2 o'clock. So the later we leave, the later I can get in. I messaged them as an Airbnb and he said you can drop your stuff at the reception, so it's not too bad. But it's on the other side of the Nile, so the train station's on the east and the Airbnb's on the west. So I got to get to the west somehow. Yeah, I'm not too sure what's got more activities. I think the east has more touristy stuff, so I don't know. I haven't moved anywhere. Oh, this announcement might be moving. Can't speak Arabic anyways, so if we move, we move. So there's the toilets. Enjoying the calming, cozy. Even this is like a prison. Hey. We're moving. Yeah, definitely go toilet before we catch the train. Yeah. Apparently, I've got a roommate coming at the next station. So it's gonna be nice and cozy. Got a ladder now. Yeah. So yeah. Now I've got to rearrange stuff. Shit. We'll pretend I'm sleeping. We're our first stop. So gonna get a roommate soon. Just pretend I don't speak English. I don't know, see what happens. So far, no roommate. I think he's next door with his kids. So they must have like 4 people in there or something, but I don't know. But by myself, so that's all good. 9 more hours to go. I'm awake. I thought I'd get up a little bit early just in case I miss my stop. But yeah, it's about 6 o'clock. Don't ask me how many hours I've slept. Probably none. Oh, I feel like I've been hit by this train. But yeah, it's not too bad. It's just if you're a really light sleeper, catch you up. It's like stop and start. The horn goes every train station or every crossing or every second. So yeah, if you live next to the train line, it's so annoying. But yeah, not so bad. Probably just catch a plane. If it's the same price or cheaper, you don't have to worry about bad sleep. But yeah, a little inside. We out here. Yeah, see if they knock on your door to tell you your train station's coming up. If not, you have to jump out. Person would sleep, so you got top, bottom, that will fold out, or you can have a tray table. But yeah, sort of unhinged and fold out. Just got the 1 hour courtesy knock, so and then breakfast is in 5 minutes. It's probably chicken and rice again, or some meat alternatives. It is what it is. I got some little snacks with me that I brought, and it just wait an hour until Luxor anyways, so not too biggie. But yeah, we'll check out what's happening with the food. Brekkie time. What do we have here? Got some bread. Got some more bread. Some more bread. It looks like a muffin. Bread. Some cheese. Some butter. Some honey. Carb loading. Nice. So instead, I've got my vegan protein bar. I've got my almond chocolate milk. The other milk. Chocolate almond milk. And got some oats. 100% vegan. Yeah, just cheeky little breakfast in my prison cell. Just got the 5-minute courtesy knock. So we're almost in Luxor, and we'll see how to get a taxi to the hostel or Airbnb. Yeah, it's probably gonna be chaotic. They're gonna be hustling like no tomorrow. But yeah, we'll see what happens. I'm ready for it. We out this bitch. I'll do a recap later when it's a bit quieter. So there's a car ride service called InDrive. It's like a taxi one instead of Uber, because I don't think there's Uber here. I don't use Uber. But yeah, you can sort of bargain how much you want to do on the app, and then the drivers accept or bargain back instead of going out and hustling with all the other drivers out there. So see how we go with this one. It says he's a couple of minutes away, and it's only 100 Egyptian dollars, so it's about $2, $3. Yeah, it's about $3 for a half-an-hour ride, so not too bad.
First day here in our city, Luxor.
Yeah, first time.
First time. Edge for important. King Valley, Hatshepsut, Habu, Kulusai. Also, there is many places also, but similar. Queens Valley is Tomb, similar King Valley.
Yep.
Okay, this place is in West Bank.
Just got to my Airbnb. Whew. There's a hustle. Got lost because like GPS for the InDrive app is a bit sketchy and just makes up its own thing. So, but it's definitely cheaper than getting a taxi from the railway. So yeah, do a little recap since I'm at the Airbnb waiting to check in. Yeah, so when I was booking the InDrive app to get a driver, a couple cancelled. I cancelled on some because they were taking too long. And then got one guy charged a little bit extra. It was only like maybe $1 extra, $1 Oz extra. But yeah, he was a driver, tour guide, teacher, something else all in one. So he just gave me like a full history lesson on like what to do, what's priority at the top of that. So yeah, anyway, a little recap about the train. Yeah, probably wouldn't recommend it. Probably get a flight if it's cheaper or the same price. Just beeline it straight to your destination. But yeah, it was an experience. It wasn't bad. I expected it to be bad, but so I didn't really have high expectations for it. So yeah, unless you really want to check it out and it's last resort, dive into it. But yeah, that's a little insight to trains in Egypt, and then I'll be catching a plane back to Cairo in 2 days. But yeah, hope you enjoyed watching me sit through that. But yeah, remember to like, subscribe and follow if you want to see some more adventures, or let me know what else I should do here in Egypt or any other country. Should I do the bougie stuff or slum it out like commoner? But yeah, thanks for watching, y'all.